Good morning, students. Welcome to the second session of General Knowledge. Knowledge is the key to success. With this idea, today we are going to start next lesson. India is a vast and diverse country with many different cultures and languages. India has 28 states and 8 union territories, with each state having its own culture and language. In India, total 780 languages are spoken. With culture comes dance. Every state has its unique dance form, as folk dance. Indian folk dance is a simple dance and is performed for every possible occasion to celebrate the arrival of seasons, festivals, and some old social customs. Each form of dance has specific costume with extensive jewels. Folk dance helps to preserve the cultural unity of the people. India has a huge number of folk dances. Ankiya Nati is the famous dance form of Himachal Pradesh. It is originated from Kullu and Shimla district. Nati dance is performed on important occasions. Nati dance listed in the Guinness World Record book as the largest folk dance. It is performed by 9,892 dancers on 26 October 2015. Bhangra is the traditional dance of Punjab. It is originated in the Mazha area of Punjab. The dance was associated primarily with the spring harvest festival Baisakhi. In a typical performance, several dancers executed vigorous kicks, leaps, and bends of the body. It is an energetic folk dance. It is traditionally danced to the instrument dhol, and bolia means short sets of lyrics. These lyrics most commonly reference themes of love, patriotism, strength, and celebration. Bhangra has made its way to America's Got Talent, the London Olympic, and even the White House. Chau dance. Chau dance is originated from Saraikela district in Jharkhand. It is one of the most vibrant, colorful art forms of mass dance. It is performed during Sun festival. Dance mostly themed around the epic stories of our mythology originating from Ramayana and Mahabharata. It is listed on UNESCO's World Heritage List of dances. Kachhi Godi dance is originated in the Shekhawati region of Rajasthan. Dancers wear kurta, turban and novelty horse costume and participate in mock fights, while a singer narrates folk tales about local bandits. It performs during happy occasions like marriage, festivals and celebrations. Bihu dance is an indigenous folk dance of Assam related to the Bihu festival which celebrates the new year and an important part of Assamese culture. The dancing style is characterized by brisk steps and rapid hand movements. The traditional costume of dancers is colorful and centered around the red color theme signifying joy and vigor. A traditional Bihu dance is eye-catching and worth chasing as it recites happiness and heritage of the Assam. The level of popularity of Bihu dance is such that it was performed at the occasion of London Olympic in the year 2012. March. March is a form of folk theatre from the Malwa region of Madhya Pradesh. March derives the name from the Hindi word manch, means stage. Originally, it was associated with the festival of Holi. Now it is performed on many occasions. Many of the themes are historical. Tales of warriors and rulers. March dance act as storehouses of local history and heritage. In recent years, March performances have also focused on contemporary issues such as literacy and landless labor. Rauf is a folk dance of beautiful state Jammu and Kashmir. It is mainly performed by women folk of the Kashmir Valley. It is performed during the springtime in beautiful costume. In this dance form, women line up in two rows facing each other. The dance steps are performed with the movement of feet while women keep their hands holding in chain. This dance form practiced with the help of mystical poetry, which is being sung and the dancers dance on the rhythmic poetry. Thayyam. The word Thayyam means God, and hence Thayyam dance is known as dance of God. It is performed to worship Hindu goddess Kali. Thayyam is a popular ritual form of worship in Kerala, predominantly in Kolathu Nadu area. It encompasses dance, mime, and music. There are about 456 types of Thayyam, among which 112 are famous. Thayyam performers wear heavy makeup and adorn flamboyant costumes like war bonnet and breastplates. The headgear and ornament truly majestic. Pandavani is a folk dance of Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, and Andhra Pradesh. It is a folk singing style involving narration of tales from the ancient Indian epic Mahabharata. Pandavani is accompanied by musical instruments such as harmonium, tabla, dholak, and majra. Kali Nach is renowned folk dance of West Bengal. It is performed in praise of goddess Kali. Performance in Kali Nach wear a mask purified by mantras and dances with a sword. Here are given a list of folk dances. We have to match them with their states. In the first column, name of the folk dances are given, and in the second column, name of the states are given, and in the third column, answers have to be written. First question is Ankiya Nati. Second, Bhangra. Third is Chau. Fourth, Kachi Ghodi. Fifth, March. I think you have got the answers. Now check your answers. First Ankiya Nati, Himachal Pradesh. Second Bhangra, Punjab. Third Chau, Jharkhand. But Jharkhand option is not there in the textbook. Before 2000, Jharkhand was a part of Bihar. On 15th November, Jharkhand became the separate state. So cut Bihar and write there Jharkhand. Fourth Kachi Ghodi, Rajasthan. Fifth March, Madhya Pradesh. In answer column, write down for 1 H, 2 G, for 3 I, for 4 A, and for 5 D. Next, Thayyam is the folk dance of Kerala. Bihu is the folk dance of Assam. Rauf is the folk dance of Jammu and Kashmir. Pandavani is the folk dance of Madhya Pradesh. Kali Nath is the folk dance of West Bengal. And answers for 6C, for 7th F, for 8 E, for 9 K, and for 10 J. Do you know, students, Kathakali is a folk dance of South Indian state of Kerala. Kathakali is a highly evolved classical form of dance, drama and music that is almost 400 years old. Minerals, pigments and lamp black are the main ingredients of the makeup. Students, we have completed third lesson. Now we are going to start fourth lesson. Award winning Indians. Everyone wants to be successful, either individually, as a team, or as an organization. What is it that pushes some people to the very top of their field, be it in business, sports, or entertainment? The qualities like ambition, hard work, determination, realistic optimism, unwavering belief, intrinsic generosity. mutual respect, maximizing opportunities, constant curiosity. These qualities helps them to achieve their goal. APJ Abdul Kalam, first Asian recipient of Hoover Medal. Rahul Dravid, first Indian recipient of International Cricketer Council. Jagjit Singh, first Indian awarded to the UNESCO's Kalinga Prize. In this lesson, we will learn more about the winners. Let's start the questions. Can you name these international awardees from India? First question is, he was the first Indian to win the Magsaysay Award in 1958 for community leadership. Answer is Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Magsaysay Award is given to Asian individuals for outstanding contribution in government service, public service, community leadership, journalism, literature, and creative communicating arts, peace and international understanding, and emergent leadership. In 2019, Ravish Kumar received this award in appreciation of his TV show Prime Time. Second question is, he is renowned anti-child labor activist who won the Robert F. Kennedy Human Rights Award in 1995. Answer is Kailash Satyarthi. He is an Indian social reformer who accompanied against child labor in India and advocated the universal right to education. Kailash Satyarthi and his team Bachpan Bachao Andolan have liberated more than 81,000 children from child labor, slavery and trafficking. He also awarded Nobel Peace Prize in 2014. Third question is, he was the first Indian to be honored with a Lifetime Achievement Oscar Award. Answer is Satyajit Ray. He was a film director, screenwriter, author, music composer, and graphic designer. In 1992, the Academy of Motion and Picture of Arts and Sciences awarded Satyajit Ray an honorary Oscar. Fourth question is, she won the Booker Prize for her book The God of Small Things. Answer is Arundhati Roy. The novel won the Man Booker Prize for Fiction in 1997 and became the best-selling book. It is written in poetic magical language. The novel paints a picture of life in a small town of Kerala. Fifth question is, he is the great musician who won Grammy Award for his album Full Circle. Answer is Pandit Ravi Shankar. It is originally called Gramophone Award. It is presented by the Recording Academy to recognize achievement in the music industry. In 2002, Pandit Ravi Shankar received Grammy Award for Best World Music Album Full Circle. He also won this award in 1968 for West Meets East, in 1973 for the concert for Bangladesh, and in 2013 for the Living Room Session Part 1. Sixth question is, this famous physicist who won the Nobel Prize for Physics Raman effect in 1930. I know students, you know the answer. Correct. Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. Nobel Prize is awarded for outstanding contribution for humanity in chemistry, literature, peace, physics, and physiology or medicine. The Academy of Sciences has awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics 1930 to Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman for his work on scattering of light, and the discovery of the effects named after him, Raman effect. Seventh question is, the great personality and poet received the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913. He was the first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize. Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. He was Bengali poet, writer, music composer and painter. Gitanjali is best known collection of poetry for which he was awarded Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913. Students, 8th question is cancelled from your textbook. So next question is ninth question. He is the first Asian to win the Nobel Prize Economics in 1998. Answer is Amartya Sen. Amartya Sen is an Indian economist and philosopher who received Nobel Prize in Economics Sciences in 1998 for his contribution to welfare economics. Received over 90 honorary degrees from universities around the world. Students were completed the question answers. Do you know, students, the Oscar Award is the popular name for the awards instituted by the Academy of Motion Picture and Arts and Science. The Oscar Award is an international recognition of excellence in cinematic achievement. A.R. Rahman in 2009 for movie Slumdog Millionaire received Oscar Award for Best Original Score. Students, we have completed fourth lesson. Now it's fun quiz time. You have to identify the name of the award with the help of given clues. First clue is the highest civilian award of the Republic of India, instituted on 2nd January 1954. Second clue is state emblem of India placed in the center with the national motto Satyameva Jayate, an image of the sun along with the name of the award. Third clue is first recipient of this award, Sri Rajgopalachari, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, C.V. Raman. Fourth clue is in 2019, this award was awarded to Nanaji Deshmukh, Bhupen Hazarika, Pranab Mukherjee. Yes, what's the answer, student? Bharat Ratna. Correct. Students, we have completed third lesson, folk dance, and fourth lesson, award winning Indians. We will meet again in the next session. Till then, take care.